Every day, we make hundreds of decisions, from what to eat to how to lead a team. But what separates great leaders from average ones is how they decide. Decision-making is more than choosing between options. It's aligning choices with your goals, values, and vision for the future. Step 1. Clarify your objective. You can't make a good decision if you don't know what you truly want. Define your end goal clearly. Next, collect relevant information. A strong decision is informed by facts, not assumptions. Don't decide in isolation. Consult others. Diverse perspectives often reveal solutions you'd never consider alone. Now balance logic with intuition. Your gut feeling reflects your experience. Trust it when evidence is incomplete. Great decision-makers think long-term. Every choice has ripple effects. Choose what aligns with sustainable success. Once you've analyzed the data, act decisively. Overthinking leads to lost momentum. Every mistake teaches you something. Reflect and refine your judgment. That's how leaders grow wiser. As Baljit Singh says, clarity in values makes even the toughest decisions feel simple and grounded. So take action with clarity, courage, and purpose.